Well, you've just heard some traditional Indian music that is going to be playing at the next India Club event. And today I have Sasmita and Ashke, oh boy, I hope I said that right, here with me, who are going to talk about the India Club and also the great event that you guys are coming up on Saturday.
Exactly.
So welcome, both of you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now, Sasmita, I have asked you to wear your glorious outfit, and I just think it looks so beautiful. Just tell me real quick, what is this traditional outfit for?
Thank you so much. Well, its traditional outfit is coming 1,000 years old now, and people used to wear it all the time when I was growing up.
Right.
But nowadays, it's kind of like a dress-up day, or any such occasion. People do wear it, but not as much as we had to.
Well, thank you so much for wearing it, because I just think it looks great.
You're welcome.
All right, so tell me a little bit about the India Club. I know you've been on before, but some people may not know, and just tell me the background and kind of how it came about.
Okay, India Club, we are just promoting the multicultural events to foster an effective global community in Laguna Woods Village.
Right.
And this is kind of 10-year-old now, and it started in a small scale, but I came in like right now, this is my 5th year in Laguna Woods Village, and from day one I'm involved with the India Club and try to do different varieties, and I like all other people in the village. They're all our neighbors.
Right.
So to know about India, like we want to know about other places. This is an international community.
Right.
So our main purpose of different culture, tradition, travel, and authentic Indian food.
Right, well there you go. I bet that's why you're there, right? It's for the food.
Yeah, it's part of it. And there is another thing, as she was explaining, we are extremely fond of music. Yeah. And as you know, lately it has come into the international world and everybody has enjoyed Indian music.
Right.
Which is also part of the reason why we are here.
Exactly, exactly. How long have you been in the club?
5 years.
Oh, also? Okay,
yes,
great,
yes.
Great. What do you like best about it?
Well, I like the people and of course the programs, and we mix it up like she was explaining.
Yes.
We have traditional dancing, music, or just some serious talk from some Swamiji, or on a little bit of heavy stuff, but everybody enjoys, and at the end of the 2-3 hour program, everybody goes home happy.
Ah, well that's a key, right? To
once
go
a month
home
we
happy.
meet together, and it's a nice program that we do.
Okay, all right, excellent. So let's talk a little bit about the upcoming event that you have on Saturday.
This Saturday.
Yes, okay. So tell
July
me
21st, this Saturday.
Okay.
And we are having a different type of musical experience for people, because so far in past we did bring some Bollywood music, which is very catchy to people, and it has some Western flavor. So people kind of identify that very easily. But this is something that years of meditation, years of involvement in the musical world, people learn this kind of classical music.
Right.
And it varies from state to state in India. Different area has a different style. And so this time I thought that people should know about this tradition.
Okay.
And it's a different type of music, but still it is melodious, and when people come and sit down and start enjoying this, it's totally pretty engulfing, and it's pretty, I would say that they will get into it and they will just make it their own.
Right.
And you see, Pandit Ravi Shankar was a sitarist. Sitar became a very popular instrument. Yes. This program has got sitar and tabla, of course, the percussion instrument, and on top of that, the other instrument, which is not all that known to people, it is called sarod, S-A-R-O-D.
Oh, right, okay.
And this should be a novelty for a lot of people, because of course sitar player is there, but the fellow who plays that sarod, oh my God, he took his training from world famous Ustad Ali Akbar Khan,
right,
who is really known all over the world.
Okay.
Even in California, he became a very popular figure because he had a college here.
Ah.
So.
Okay. Now let's go back to the two that we saw at the beginning. So they're playing two different kinds of instruments, and they're the ones that are going to be opening up the musical
event.
Okay.
Yeah.
So tell me a little bit about their instruments.
Their instrument, one will be playing tabla, which is like a drum, and a mini drum, and the other one will be playing sitar. And they both are very young, and they are just high school. They graduated from high school and are going to college now. And one is in USC and another one is UCLA.
Okay.
And so they're studying, but at the same time, side by side, they are practicing their music.
Okay.
Because they come from a musical family.
Okay.
And so altogether, they also have devotion of music.
Yes.
And this will be the first event, and then we'll have after their program, we'll have a dinner, and it is going to be authentic, delicious Indian dinner. And after that, our highlight of the program starts.
Right, and that was
Manideepa, David, and Soma.
Right.
So these three, this trio are going to just make this evening melodious.
Yes.
Now, Manideepa Sharma is a nice lady, very good singer.
Yes.
And of course, the David Trussoff, like I said, is the sarod player who learned from his guru, who is a world famous fellow, like I said, Ustad Ali Akbar Khan.
Right, and we actually have on our flyer that you sent me, you show the different instruments. So there's the drum-like instrument there, and then Sarod, is that how you pronounce his name?
Sarod, actually.
Sarod, so he's got that. All right, well, excellent. So that's Saturday, July 21st.
Yes.
Refreshments are at 5 p.m.
Refreshment 5 p.m. and socialization.
Okay.
And after that, the program starts. And particularly, these three people are going to mesmerize the audience.
Yes.
Completely. Once you come and sit down and relax, and you will see what is happening.
Well, just hearing those two, that's just a little bit of it, right?
Exactly.
So you can tell it's going to be very mesmerizing. Tell me a little bit about the Indian food you're going to be serving.
Okay, we will be serving both kind, non-veg and veg.
Okay.
So whoever likes vegetarian meal, and both are going to be healthy this time.
Okay.
Okay, we are trying to take care of that part so that it not be too spicy.
Okay.
And at the same time, it's fresh and freshly cooked.
Great.
And this particularly Babuchi Biryani is the catering service there. They're bringing the food.
Okay, great.
So all together, people will have great time.
This should be a fun evening.
A fun time, and they're going to go home happy.
Yeah,
happy,
right?
Not only happy, they will remember.
Okay.
Because the lady
is
is
a good memory.
And the lady is also a versatile singer. She could go here, and here, and all that.
Good variety.
So, actually, to make it a change this time, she's not going to be doing totally hard classical. It will be kind of light classical.
Okay. All right, good.
So that will be pretty enjoyable for any years, that you are not ready for it. Like if you go to an opera, if you are not ready for opera, it's
come with an open mind then,
yes,
right?
Exactly.
All right. Well, thank you both for being with us. I appreciate it, and good luck on your event.
Thank you.
All right.
I thank you for bringing us here.
You're welcome.
Hopefully everybody will come.
Yes.
5 o'clock this Saturday.
All right.
And
we'll see you there.
Enjoy the day.
Perfect.
See everybody.
And that was this Saturday, July 21st. We'll be right back after this.